Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add your employees to QuickBooks Online. This is essential for managing payroll, tracking employee information, and keeping your business organized all in one place. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open QuickBooks Online and look at the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see several options for managing different aspects of your business. Click on Employees to access the Employee Management section. This is your central hub for all employee-related tasks and information. Once you're in the Employees section, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Add an Employee. Go ahead and click this button to begin the process of entering a new team member into your system. This will open up a form where you can input all the necessary details. Now it's time to fill in the basic information. Start by entering the employee's first name, middle initial if they have one, and their last name. Make sure this information is accurate as it will be used for all official records and payroll processing. Next, you'll see a field for the employee's email address. This is optional, but it's highly recommended if you want to send them notifications about pay stubs, tax documents, or other important information directly through QuickBooks. If you choose to skip this, you can always add it later. Moving down the form, you'll find the Hire Date field. Enter the date when this employee officially started working for your company. This information is important for tracking tenure, benefits eligibility, and for your own record-keeping purposes. When you've entered all the required information, click either Add Employee or Save at the bottom of the form. This will officially add the employee to your QuickBooks system, and they'll now appear in your employee list. If you need to add more detailed information, like addresses or specific job roles, simply click on the employee's name from your employee list. This will open their profile where you can click Edit on either the Personal Info or Employment Details sections to add or modify any additional information you need. Your employees list now serves as a complete record of your workforce, making it easy to keep track of everyone for general record keeping and ensuring your business stays organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.